Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones RAZER Opus X. And firstly make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that we should turn off it. So press and hold at the power button until you can see that this light start be red, as I have right now. After you did it, we disconnect the headphones from the phone, so now we should turn on it to reconnect them. So press and hold this power button again. And that's it. Now we should wait for the connection, and we have it right here. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.